going to go ahead and revamp it with a nice popping color and a new lace closure. So first you want to begin by prepping your bundles. This is to make sure that when you're coloring, you don't have to worry about so much hair being in the way. It makes it really quick and easy. I use these rubber bands to section off the hair and keep them together so we work with a smaller amount in width. I wanted to show you guys how I sectioned out my bundles to make it easier. I got my bundle, folded it into two, then you fold it once more, making 4 layers, and then you get your rubber band and you tie that in between your wefts, spaced out evenly. Once you're done attaching at least 3 to 4 rubber bands within your wefts, you go ahead and pick up your lace closure. And this is what I'm dealing with now. It's our new improved lace closure. It may look kind of rusty on the ends right now, but once you put water to that bad boy, it's gonna look so beautiful. But let's go ahead and do the color. As you see here, that our lace closure is a lot more browner than our bundles, but that's okay because once you put the color, it's all gonna look the same. So our second step is to mix up the color. I have magenta and red hot here, which I'm going to pour into a bowl. I am using a color key to empty out the tube, but you don't have to use that. You can just use your fingers, it's no big deal. Now I got my color scale from Target. It's a food scale, but I use it for my color, and it makes it easier for me because I don't like measuring. I don't like to make things difficult, so. So I'm using 30 volume developer, and it's going to be 4.9 ounces total. I think that's a 4.8, but whatever. It's still close enough to 4.9. Go ahead and pour the developer into your color and mix. Gently whisk your components together. Now it's time to start coloring our bundles and lace closure. So I'm going to start off doing my lace closure. I use a protectant under there. I'll put a link below in my description box as to how to protect your lace closure and what you can use, and I'll put it on the screen. But once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and start the color. So I pinned down my lace closure with T-pins on 4 corners. And these doll heads I got from beauty school, which I would love to send you some. Just email me your address, and you know me, I'll mail you guys whatever you need for free. I have a whole bunch of these doll heads, and they're amazing for styling your wigs as well, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Now we're going to apply our color to the roots and work our way to the mid shaft to the ends of our hair, and then make sure you don't purposely get it onto the lace itself. Yes, we have the barrier as a protectant, but it's not meant to be abused, if you get what I mean. So you just repeat the same process piece by piece, going up the lace closure. I only recorded the lace closure portion because I figured this is the most important part, and I want you guys to do it right. I don't want you to have red stains on your lace closure. This is how you need to do it. If you can't, email me to get the doll head. Purchase a styrofoam head from your local beauty supply store. But after that, you go ahead and color your bundles, and then we'll move on to the final results. Yes, y'all, I see here that this is not the color that we mixed, but that is because I lost the footage. But luckily I have a clip of another procedure. This is called a pre-softening procedure, but it's done the same way as you would to apply color. So just go ahead and just copy what you see here, even though this is not the color that you're going to be using. You saturate the ends of the hair and work your way up to the root, and make sure you get the wefts as well. I can't stress how important it is to make sure that every strand is coated with this color. This allows for even distribution and a flawless outcome. Go ahead and get that color in between those 4 layers, in between that wefted area, real good, so it can be even and flawless. So once that's complete, you throw your bundles in a bag, you close it up with no heat in room temperature overnight, and the next morning you're going to shampoo it out, and you should get something like this. Yes, honey, this beautiful red color. I turned the bundles into a unit or wig, whatever you want to call it. But yes, red color, looking hot. Now, the deep wave has lost its curl pattern. That does happen when you color it, but if you deep condition it, it will come back. But I decided to go ahead and throw in some wand curls. So if you're interested in getting that look,